ng mga fans dito. So I see may nag-ship dito, Ashtress Dreamers. So iba-iba to. Meron tayong Ashton Official, Ashling's Official, at si Ashbin Official. Amazing. Ano ito yung real, life size? Ayun, natanggal
Dapat
tuloy.
pala mas matangkad yung Stanley. Para kahit sa Stanley, matangkad ako.
Ayan, and there is the cake. Of course, we'd like to greet Ashton in advance. Happy birthday. Okay. May 19, tama ang birthday ni Ashton. Okay, go ahead, make a wish.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we'd like to thank Paper Moon for providing us with Ashton's cake this afternoon. Alright, maraming salamat. Guys, let's have a photo with Ashton, no? So, okay ba hawak niya yung perfume niya? Okay, para sa ating friends from the media, maraming salamat po for joining us again. Ashton Olviga's perfume collaboration with Viva Beauty.